Hey guys, welcome back to the Kryptech channel, and today we're going to be talking about the 10 series cards from NVIDIA. And we're going to be talking about if they're profitable and if they're worth it. We're going to be talking about return on investment, their hash rate, the best coin they can mine, and obviously their prices. So let's jump straight into it. So the first card we're going to be talking about is the 1050 Ti. Its hash rate is around 6.5 mega hash. Not great, but you can't expect too much from a 1050 Ti. So the price of the 1050 Ti is $150 to $200 depending on where you get it from, which isn't that pricey compared to all the other graphics cards, but obviously it doesn't have that much of power and it's not that much of a good graphics card. But it earns around 80 cents a day and $24 a month, which is not bad, but it's I wouldn't certainly wouldn't call that profitable. The best coin it can mine, or the best coin you should mine if you have it, is Raven coin, and its return on investment is actually 8 months. So the question is it profitable? And I'm gonna say here, no, unless you already have it. If you already have it, go on, put that in your PC and start mining. It's a good $24 every month. Why not? But if you're gonna strictly go out there and actually buy one of these cards, I would say that it's just not worth it, and you could get a better graphics card for that. And I'm going to be showing you the next card, which I feel is a significantly better than the 1050 Ti. So, unless you're using this on a rig, like in a bulk with lots of them, or you already own it, I would say do not go out of your way to buy this card. Its return on investment is nearly a year, pretty much, you could say. 8 months, which is quite long, and it doesn't even earn that much. Alright, so next we're going to be talking about the 1063 GB. As you can see, it says 3 GB, which means there's 3 GB RAM in it, but it is not worse than the 1050 Ti. It's got 22.5 mega hash rate, and the best coin it can mine, or the coin you should mine when you have it, is Expanse, which is EXP. The price of it is basically the same as a 1050 Ti, which is great because the return on investment is only 6 months, which is 2 months less than the 1050 Ti. Another thing good about it is it earns around $6 more than the 1050 Ti monthly. So it earns 99 cents a day and 30.69 dollars every month, which is pretty good. So again, would I say this is profitable? Yes, I would say this is profitable compared to the 1050 Ti. But if your budget is strictly $150 to $200, I would say this is the most profitable card you could get. Moving on, guys, we're going to be talking about the 1066 GB, which is double the RAM as the 1063 GB, and it has the same hash rate, but this time difference is that I can mine Ethereum, the best coin to mine is in GPU, so that's great. Uh, the con about it is that it's $350 to $450, which is quite pricey if you have a tight budget. But its return on investment is also around 6 months because it earns $2.42 a day and $72.60 every month, which is a big jump from the 1050 Ti and 1063 GB. So if you're looking to get the cheapest card that can mine at least more than $70 a month, then this is what you want to get, the 1066 GB. Do I think it's profitable? If you have the budget, yes, it's profitable. So moving on, we have the 1070. I have experience with this card because I've used it a lot, and it has a hash rate of around 25.2 mega hash. Um, it also can mine Ethereum, which is great, and the profit you get on it is $2.72 and or $81.60 per month, which is a good jump from the 1066 GB. However, again, it's more pricey, and its price is around $450 to $550, which is again just bringing the price up and up and up. Its return on investment is 6.5 months, and the main question is, would I call this profitable? Again, yes, it's profitable, but I would probably stick to the 1066 GB instead of the 1070, purely because it's around $100 less. If you have the money, then I would say go for the 1070. But if you do not, go for the 1066 GB. It's also profitable. A con about the 1070 is probably just that it takes zero point 0.5 more months than the 1066 GB. But overall, it's a really good card. Okay, guys. So next we're gonna be talking about the 1070 Ti, which is like the higher tier version of the 1070. Um, it's got a hash rate of 30 mega hash. But its con is that it has a pretty high ROI. So if you're looking to get your money back quickly, this might not be a card you want. It's also very pricey. It's $600 to $700, but it can mine Ethereum. So you earn $3.07 a day or $92.10 a month, which is again another $10 jump around from the 1070. But what I said, this is profitable. I would say again, it is profitable because these cards are profitable. But do I think it's worth it? No, I do not think the 1070 Ti is worth it because it's just you're getting $10 more a month, but you're paying quite more money than the 1070 and the 1066 GB, and its ROI is more than the 6.5. It's around nearly 8 months of ROI. So I would not advise you to get this card because of how expensive it is and how much it's not worth. The second last card we're going to be talking about is the 1080. This has a mega hash of 35.5 and its ROI is 7 months, which is alright compared to all the rest. But it costs around $650 to $750, which is again even more pricey. Again, it can mine Ethereum because these cards are higher tier, and it earns around $3.61 a day or $108.30 a month. This is a good card because, as you can see, it earns more than more than $100 a month, which is very good. But again, its price makes it very hard to say if it's worth it. But I would say it's profitable 100%. But is it worth it? I would say that if you have the money, definitely go for this. But if you have a tight budget, I would stick to the one of the lower cards in this list. Last but not least, we have the 1080 Ti, which has the highest hash rate out of all these cards. And we're talking about these 10 series cards. It has a hash rate of 43.5. It mines Ethereum, and it costs around $850 to $1,000, which is quite a big margin. But this thing sells for different prices depending on where you get it from. Its ROI is 7.5 months, and you get around $4.39 a day or $131.70 a month. This card is profitable, very profitable, but is it worth it? $850 to $1,000. I feel like you could get a much better card, maybe in 20 series, or even sometimes you get a bargain in the 30 series. So I wouldn't say this card is worth it at all. I would say if you have this much of a budget, you may as well go for a 20 series card. The 1080 Ti is a very good card for crypto mining. But say you wanted to do gaming and crypto mining, you may as well get a 20 series card. It has better graphics than 1080 Ti, and it can do nearly the same, basically the same or better crypto mining than the 1080 Ti. So I would say the 1080 Ti is not worth it. So guys, this was a little guide on what 10 series cards are worth it and if they're profitable. If you did not see your card on this, like the 1050 or the 1030, it's purely because I thought they're not profitable enough to be on this list. If you already have one, then obviously you can mine on it. It will be a bit profitable on it because you'll get some cash. But if you're gonna go out your way to buy one, do not do that because they are not worth it. But yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.